In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the time tracker in Monday.com. So the first thing that you want to do here is just go to Monday.com and log in into your account. Once you've logged in into your account and gone to your board here, you'll be able to see different columns you've already created. So we have the task, person status, and date. So for us to actually add the time tracker, we have to click on the plus icon here, which is the add column icon. Just click on it, and from here you want to go to more columns. So from here it doesn't appear the time tracker option. You just have to manually search it up. So just type in time tracker. Yeah, you have the time tracking here. Just click on add to board, and that should add the time tracking column. So if you want to start the tracking for it, you could just hit on the play button, and that would start the tracking. So once you've done the time tracking here, just click on the pause button again, and when you click on the time itself, you'll be able to actually clear this section here, the time tracking for it, and you could actually add a session manually. You could choose the date, the year, uh, and yeah, you could actually change the start and the end time, and you could just click on add session, and that should add the session for that specific task. But this is for the task. But how about the sub items underneath a task? So it's actually the same thing. You just click on the add column here and go to more columns and just type in time tracking and just click on add support, and that should add the time tracking on this sub item. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.